What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nekwaya if you're new here. If this is your first time, please make sure you're subscribed. Also, if you're returning and are not yet subscribed, please make sure you do subscribe. I would appreciate it so much. Now, as you guys can tell from the title of this video, we're doing hair. I'm going to be trying on this new wig that I just got yesterday. I in fact received it yesterday afternoon, evening, I think. It's from a company called Sealy Hair. It's obviously a Chinese hair vendor, and basically it's a wig, which is not new to me, but then what's new is that it's got a bang, like it's got a fringe. So that is something that's completely different to me, but I wanted to switch it up. And I saw another YouTuber, she's a South African YouTuber, Vongai. She got the same wig and it looked so good, so I decided to get the same wig. Anyway, so I purchased this. It took about a week to arrive, so it doesn't take too long, even in the current circumstances. And it basically arrived in a FedEx bag, and it looks like this. So I'm gonna open it up, and they have, like, you know, their little pamphlet. They always put these in here. The wig itself, wig caps, which I need because I don't actually have any. Oh, and there's a bonnet. Oh, that's so nice because I actually don't know where my hair bonnet is. So that's so nice. Anyway, so, oh wait, no, is it a bonnet? What is it? Oh, it's not a bonnet. It's, I suppose you'd use it to lay your edges, I suppose. Okay, I thought it was a bonnet. I would have really liked a bonnet. There isn't a bonnet. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on one of the wig caps. Basically, I just braided my hair down. It's in these mini twists, and that's kind of the hairstyle that I've been rocking. Obviously, my hair is not super flat, but that's fine. I'm gonna just try and work with what I can. So I'm going to take out the wig. So the wig comes packaged like this. I noticed that of late when you buy a wig, they come with this like styrofoam thing on the inside to make sure that the wig keeps its shape while it's being packaged. I like that it was in a hairnet thing. So this is the wig. I haven't done anything to it, as you guys saw. I just took it out of the box. I don't know. It feels like... Oh, okay, I see now. I was gonna say, I feel like the bangs are quite short, but I see that if you cut the lace, you can create your own bangs. So that's great, because I was starting to feel a bit scared that they were a bit short. But basically, the wig has 1, 2, 3, 4 combs on the inside. This one over there, some in the back. It also has these adjustable straps, so you can make it smaller. I probably won't need to use the adjustable straps because my hair is a bit bulky because of the braids, but we'll see. And then obviously this is a bang wig, so I don't have to do like any edge laying or whatever. I think like if you fasten the straps at the back, I honestly think like that should be sufficient. I mean, you can add glue if you want, but I'm not gonna bother with that. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly put on the wig just for a like first impressions. Well, first impression is that I look a bit crazy, but again, it's fresh out the box, so we're not gonna judge. I'm just gonna try and comb it and see what we're working with here. So fresh out the box, this is what this looks like. I actually don't think it's bad at all. Like, I think it's not bad. Like, obviously you'd have to cut this hair, which I'll do in just a minute, but I think from the jump, this is not bad at all. I'm gonna cut these tabs around the ears because I genuinely don't need them. Like, so I'll cut the lace off and everything. So for first impressions, I like it. I'm gonna spritz it with water so long just to laid flat where it's kind of like a bit bulky in some areas. So basically just to like wet it so like it lies straight. But just off the bat, it's really nice, don't you guys think? Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I am gonna first pin up here on the sides so I can cut these what do you call it, ear tabs off, because I don't need the ear vibe here. And then I'm gonna go in and cut the bang and then the lace, and then I'm gonna straighten it, and then we'll be cute or whatever. Okay, so this is not exactly a tutorial, it's just essentially me kind of doing this with you guys. So I think I'll speed through, and if necessary I'll stop and speak and just, but basically I'm kind of just showing you guys how I'm laying my wig. Very informal. Okay guys, so I've pretty much cut the bangs, and I know it looks a little crazy right now, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get my hair straightener and I'm gonna like straighten everything, bump it nicely, and then we'll take it from there. Just maybe, well, like I said, it's not a tutorial, but just like a tip that I used when I was cutting my bangs is cut long. Like, you guys know that picture of Beyonce, and I mean I love Beyonce, where she had that tiny bang that just looked crazy. You don't ever want to be that person, so make sure you cut long, especially like, oh, sorry, I'm a bit oily, especially like I'm gonna like curl, not curl, like I'm gonna bump the ends. So if I had cut it too short and I attempt to bump it, it will look crazy. So make sure you cut it long enough. Kind of like this. I wonder what my husband will say. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly get my straightener, then I'm gonna bump my ends. Okay guys, so this is the wig pretty much. I mean, there are obviously a few extra things that I would still do to it. For example, this line in between, I think for me is too thin, so I'm probably gonna ventilate it a bit and like probably tweeze out a few hairs here just to make it look more realistic, the part, so you can like actually see that there's a part, because I think that will make it look a bit more natural. I might also, no, actually ordinarily I would apply some mousse on here on my hair. Hold on, let me cut these bits off quickly. Ordinarily I would apply some mousse just to make sure like there are no flyaways or whatever, but I'm not gonna do that now simply because I'm gonna wash this wig before I actually start wearing it, and so there's no point in putting on the mousse because I'm just gonna wash it off immediately. But also another thing that I'm gonna do, I don't know if you guys can tell that there was this middle part here with the bangs that I'm not too fond of. I think like I'll just want like a, you know, even bang. So I think that I will probably when I wash it, obviously reshape it and then it will show a bit more. But this is really cute, I think. What do you guys think of me in a bang? Like, I think it's so different. I think I once did a bang, but it was like a bit curly. I think you guys know which kind of wigs I'm talking about, and I didn't even wear it for too long. I was over it. But this one, she cute. I think I really like it. You guys might just be seeing this wig for the next few videos, and don't say I didn't tell you so, because I'm enjoying her. I'm enjoying this wig. Of course, I'll leave all the details down below. I think for me this wig was quite an affordable one. I think it was $70, and I mean, you guys know, and the shipping was free. So I mean, right? So yeah, but let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.